Hello everyone! If you are considering buying a bioseptic tank, this video will provide a clear explanation of the type of bioseptic tank you should choose. So do not skip the video and watch it fully. We are currently at the chocolate factory estate in Ooty, where a new construction is taking place. We are going to provide our Pioneer bioseptic tank for this project. Daily, we received requests for a tank for 15 people. So, we are providing a 2,000-liter tank here. Since there is rock at just 3 feet in this location, it is not possible to build a septic tank with bricks and sand. Therefore, this customer has chosen our Pioneer Biotank. This tank is made with 3-layer HDPE material, ensuring it will not rust or leak. This tank is crafted as a single-piece mold, ensuring it has no joints whatsoever, making it exceptionally durable. We have designed this tank to be extremely durable, so that even tree roots cannot penetrate it. This tank comes with a 50-year warranty certificate, ensuring its reliability and longevity. Upon installation, we introduce anaerobic bacteria into the tank. These bacteria efficiently break down and digest all human waste completely. To support the bacteria inside, our Pioneer Biotank is the only one that provides biomedia and biopolymer. If you would like to get more detailed information about this, please visit the Pioneer Bioseptic Tank YouTube channel, where you can watch all the videos we have installed. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and customers no matter what they do. Thank you, friends.